So you want to know about Mailing Boss. Should you get it? Should you not? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stranger, and in this video I want to talk about the autoresponder that goes by the name of Mailing Boss. I've done a couple videos on it in the past, but I just got a question about a week ago, and somebody saw the video and they were like, well, what kind of open rates are you getting with it? What kind of deliverability are you getting with it? What kind of click-through rates? Basically, everything that you would want to know about autoresponder. But I actually answered the questions back, but I answered in the way of like, well, some of the questions that you're answering me, I can't really answer them to you because it really depends on you. Now, if you're asking me, is Mailing Boss a quality service, then I'm going to say yes, right? In my opinion, like I said before, I've used GetResponse, I've used Aweber in the past, and I currently have Mailing Boss, right? In my opinion, Mailing Boss is just as good as the big dogs, when it comes to like Aweber and GetResponse. Now, when it comes to deliverability and click-through rates, stuff like that, I personally feel like it really depends on what you're doing. It depends on what kind of campaigns are you running. Oh, that's what he asked me, how many people I had on my list. And I'm like, well, or she, or could have been guy or girl, I don't know. But I'm like, well, those numbers wouldn't help you out. Because if I'm running a campaign and I have 100 people on my list, that 100 people might be super valuable versus somebody else might have 5,000 people on their list and not making a dime. They're all useless emails. So that question, when you ask somebody like, how many people you got on your list, that's subjective to, what is your campaigns about? What niche are you in? You know what I'm saying? Are you in a gambling niche? Are you in a relationship niche? Are you in to make money? Like, I don't know. All I can say is, as much as, man, with my experience, Mailing Boss is just as good as the big dogs. I will say, yes, it's a little bit of a learning curve. I would sit down with Mailing Boss and just take like a few hours to really watch the tutorial videos and get a good grasp of the service, of the program. Now, just like with any other service, what will help your deliverability is having a professional domain. So instead of having like messages coming from your Gmail, you want to make sure it's coming from, Earl at realinternetcash.com. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you have a professional email connected to your account, no matter if you with Aweber, GetResponse, or Mailing Boss. You don't want to use a lot of spammy words because, once again, if you with any service, that can get your email sent to, the trash or spam. And if you watching the video, you're on different lists, you know this too. If you check your spam, or if I check my spam folder right now, there's emails I got from big time marketers that end up in my spam and my junk folder. So it's really about what you're doing, and I personally think there's no perfect autoresponder. I don't believe there's nothing out there that will get your emails to the people's inbox 100% of the time. I don't believe it. I preference Mailing Boss just because the price is ridiculous. With the subscribers you can have, and the flexibility you could do with the messages, and the way you can send them, and how you can segment your list for super cheap, way cheaper than other services. And like I said, you're getting just more, and you're paying less. So that's why I recommend Mailing Boss right now as a autoresponder. Now, I always talk about Builderall. You can actually get Builderall right? For $50 a month, which is all these landing pages and video pages and Facebook bots and everything for $50 a month, right? And you actually get Manly Boss with that $50, which is just, what else can you say? Like, it's all you need. You know, it covers landing pages and building your list and all of that. So for $50 a month, you know, you're going to get an autoresponder that does everything Aweber and GetResponse do, be able to build a list with thousands of people on it. So in the network marketing, or not network marketing, in the internet marketing industry, this is what they call a no-brainer when it comes to having an autoresponder. All right, so that's my take on Mailing Boss and how good does it work and whatever. If you want to check it out, because yes, I'm with Builderall, so I'm going to give you a link, a direct link to Mailing Boss, and there's a link in the description that you can actually check out Builderall. So if you just want Mailing Boss, you could just get Mailing Boss if you want. But if you want the shabam, full blown, $50 a month, I would just go with Builderall and sign up for the pro account, whatever. All right. So if you have any questions, leave them below. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up, share this content, and as always, be sure to subscribe, because I'm always dropping that content. Till the next time, peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.